Hey there, it's Jenny Alexander, and I'm going to show you how I do my copper patina paint finish. You'll need black paint, copper paint, Pentart antique gels, a paintbrush, and some paper towels or an old t-shirt. For my black paint, I like to use Cottage Colors by DIY, and my antiquing gels are by Pentart, but you can get paint in similar colors that would work really good too. My copper paint is also by DIY Paint. First, we're going to paint the piece solid black. Next, we're going to come in and we're going to stipple on our copper paint. It's an up and down motion. Turn the brush often so it's a random pattern. We are just trying to mimic an old copper finish. Now I'm going to start with my darkest color first over the copper. And I'm using the exact same motion that I used for the copper. Up and down, stipple, twist, turn my brush, making it a very random pattern. And I just continue this same technique over and over and over again until I'm done. This is a great finish on furniture or even small craft projects. Achieve varying looks by mixing up the order of your colors. I start from the darkest and work to the lightest, but sometimes I will go in reverse just to see what I get. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website.